Okay, fifth graders, before we even finish 13.1, that's the, what do they call that, additional practice in your workbook. I just want to do some more practice with you guys concerning order of operations. This first page I just pulled out, it really doesn't have anything to do with order of operations, but just kind of a warm-up for you guys. It says find the value for the expression when x, that's equals 6. I don't know, it doesn't come out very well. X equals 6. So I'll do the first one here for you. So I'm looking at number 1. Let me get rid of that here. So just remember, in fact, I'll put it up a little bit higher here. X equals 6. So I could just rewrite this as 6 plus 7 plus 6 equals, so find the value for the expression. Well, what's 6 plus 7? That's 13. Plus 6 more is 19. So the answer to number 1 is 19. So just do what do we have? Looks like 1 through 15 here. Yeah, nice warm-up for you guys. And then I want you to do this page here. And again, this is not something, in fact, neither one of these pages you're going to find in your book. But this is a little more practice using order of operations. And so they give us a reminder here. It says brackets and braces are other types of grouping symbols, it says here. And it says evaluate the terms inside the brackets after doing operations within the parentheses. So, and I'd mentioned this the other day in the lesson, that you're going to do what's innermost in a particular expression. So let's look at this very first one. It says evaluate. And again, it's kind of hard to read. Sorry it didn't come out very clear. It looks like it's got a bracket and then a parentheses, and then 4, looks like 4 plus 9. And then minus, and then it looks again like it might be parentheses, 30 divided by 5, and then another bracket times 10. So you're going to do what's in the innermost first, which is what I've highlighted in greens. 4 plus 9 is 13. And then you have minus 30 divided by 5 is 6. And those are within, and I don't know if you can see them here, but it looks like they're within a bracket there. And then so then you would do then 13 minus 6. Well, what is 13 minus 6? That's going to be 7. Well, so now you've completed everything within the braces, brackets, parentheses kind of thing. And so what are we left with? It's 7 times what? Times 10. And 7 times 10 equals 70. So let me do a couple more for you guys here. How about number 9? Let's look at number 9 here. It's 52 plus 48. 52 plus 48. And that's within its own parentheses. And then looks like that's a divided by symbol. And then again in parentheses we have an 8 plus 17. So that's what they want us to do here. So 52 plus 48, well, I'm going to look at the compatible numbers here. I'm thinking 2 and 8, that's 10. 5 and 4 is 9, so that looks like that's going to be 100. So I'm just going to put a little 100 right here, divided by, and then 8 plus 17 is what? That's 25. Well, what's 100 divided by 25? That's 4. So the answer to number 9 is, I'll just put a 4 right here. That was pretty easy. How about number 10? Let's look at number 10 together here. Going to do number 10. So it looks like they have a bracket and then a 52 plus, and then it looks like parentheses. It's a 48 divided by 8. Close the parentheses and then close the bracket, And then when we're all done with whatever's inside that, it's going to be adding 17. So what's the first thing we do here? It's going to be 48 divided by 8. Well, what is 48 divided by 8? Gosh, do you guys know this? Do you know your division and multiplication tables here? So let me rewrite this here. 52, whoops. 52 plus 48 divided by 8. So how many times does 8 go into 24? You guys know that? It goes in 3 times. So 24 is half of 48, so 6 times. So I'm going to put 52 plus, because I've now just completed what's in there. 48 divided by 8 is 6, so it's 52 plus 6. And so I've done what's in those in these parentheses right here. So I can rewrite the problem and really just sort of drop the parentheses. Actually, I'll leave that highlighted there. So I'll just drop the parentheses and put plus 17. Now I need to do what's within the brackets. Just this part right here, 52 plus 6. What's 52 plus 6? That'd be 58. And so now I've done what's within those brackets, so I'll just put a plus 17. And I can write 58 and 17. I'm adding those together. 7 and 8 is 15. Put down the 5, carry the 1, 75. So the answer to number, what number was that? 10 we were doing here, is 75. So just remember, you're doing what's the innermost problem first as far as the brackets, parentheses, and braces. So do, what do we have here? 1 through 12. I did 9 and 10 for you guys, and also talked about the example right here. Hopefully that helps. And we will grade this tomorrow. That's it. Talk to you guys later. Oh, you know what? Let me look really quick here. I want to make sure, because I know this is kind of hard to read. This is a divided by symbol right there, divided by, plus, okay, that's a minus, and then times, times, times. This right here is a divided by symbol. Those are not coming through very clear. This is a divided by symbol. Looks like this is a divided by symbol. This one is 2. This one is 2, or I should say also. Oh man, what is that? I can't read that. Looks like 1 3/5. So you know what? Well, let's call it, it looks like 1 3/5. Minus 1 3/5. So do that problem assuming that's 1 3/5. I might be wrong, but we're going to find out tomorrow. And this is a divided by symbol. And this is a divided by symbol. So the rest you should be able to see multiplication, addition, or a subtraction symbol. Okay, that's it. Talk to you guys later.